Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem if you have stable internet connection, but you cannot find your favorite games on Google Play Store in FOSSIBOT F101. To do this, let's launch our Google Play Store, and here we can try to find a game like Call of Duty. As you can see, it is right here, but we can't click on it. It just nothing happens when we do. So let's go back, click on your profile picture, go to the settings, enter family, parental controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely with this switch or select apps and games, insert the PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and then go back, look for your game again, and it should be right here available to install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.